it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so
Oh, good girl. Look at you. Like a champ. Like a champ, mama. Hey. The dogs get to come in and play. All right. Man, talked to my doctor. She said my vitamin B is low. I have zero energy. We're going to try and get this stuff up on the ceiling here. Because I think that's an easy job. And the corgis are going to help us. Help, not help. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, the foam boards that we cut yesterday or the other day and got sized, we're going to go ahead and just glue these onto the ceiling. And that's going to be it for today. We're really having a hard time coming back from COVID with energy. So we're going to just do small little things up until we have enough energy to get back on these windows and doors, because that's a pretty full day on those. But at least we can get this stuff out of the way. So that's what we're going to do today.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
We're not gonna use 2x6s. Roll these off. these all the way on top, just like that. So normally you don't put the insulation, this stuff on the ceiling until you've done your framing, but we just don't have anywhere to put it. So we're gonna see if this works. We may come out here tomorrow and all of them have fallen. But we're gonna just keep going until we run out of these 2x3s right here. So hopefully we can get all of it done, but we'll just see. But it seems to be, this seems to be like it's gonna work. So I think we've kind of figured out the kinks of it, and now we'll just start putting them up. So I'm just putting glue on the ends here, and then the center one, so they take up 6. So that one I've got to squish in 6. This is what I don't like. This is why I want to put it on the ceiling, is because that one has a whole bunch of glue on the end and it's not touching anything. So it's literally just a waste of glue. So this whole thing is only being held in by the other end and the center. It doesn't have any glue on this end piece because we were trying to do it this way. So that's why I don't like doing it, because that happens a lot. So if I can figure out a way to get it to not be stringy, then that's how I would prefer to put it, glob it on there. So maybe I'll just try to do smaller dots and see if we can do it without putting it on that, because it's, I don't know if we warmed it up in here enough that it's made this super, not holding together as much. I don't know. But let's see what we can do here. I'll start over here. So what we're trying to figure out now is we've got all this stuff here in the way, and as you saw how we're bracing this, we really can't brace this side. So I think we're gonna stop for today. We're halfway, and we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna figure out moving this, and we're probably gonna take this insulation and get it in the walls in the living room tomorrow. So that we can get those big packets out of the way. All the small pink insulation is gonna go upstairs in the treehouse upstairs because heat rises, so that's gonna be a really warm area anyway. So I think we're gonna call it for today. This was an experiment. We were trying to figure out if this would work, and I think it is going to. I know in the areas that we didn't have any pressure, so this east wall, they were popping off, and it's because I squished them in. So you definitely want to cut them to where they're not having any pressure from the top and the bottom, which is what is happening, which has caused them to pop off. So we're actually gonna have to pull those off, trim a little bit, and then re-put them back up and re-glue them. The ceilings are a little bit short. We'll end up spray foaming any of these cracks, and we'll tape it all off, and so it'll give us that envelope that we're looking for. And then we'll take small pieces and put them either up in these cracks, because the pinks don't meet. The wall pink foam insulation does not meet the roof insulation. So most likely what we'll do is put up our framing and then spray foam, so that the spray foam, you know, has something to stop at, and that kind of stuff is kind of what I've seen. And then that'll spray foam in the edges and the sides and do all of that using the least amount of spray foam. Then same on this end, above this end window. We'll take all these small pink foam insulation pieces, shove them in there, and then spray foam, or do a bead of spray foam, shove them in, and then spray foam over it, so we use less and we use up that material. But I think this is gonna work. It's really hard to work around these sticks, the standing up and holding these up. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna call it for the day. My shoulder's kind of hurting from holding things up, so we're gonna slowly get this done, I think. And then we can get back to cutting these windows. We won't really be able to put anything on this wall until we get these windows cut out, but this will get this stuff out of our way. So thanks for hanging out with us. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you follow the journey. We are building a shipping container treehouse on 73 acres in northern Idaho, and we are an all-female build, learning as we go and trying some new things and seeing if they work. So if you have any suggestions, comment in the below in the comments. We'd love to hear them. And hit the bell notification so that you see all the things that we are doing. And if you want to see the other stuff that we're doing on our homestead, then make sure that you subscribe to Cause We Can Farm to Table. And that's where we talk about all the animals that we're raising in the gardens and all of those things. So thanks a lot for hanging out with us today. Bye.
Bye. What are we doing?
We're going to get the truck.
Why are we going to get the truck?
Because this morning after our live, we couldn't drive up the ice skating rink that is the driveway. So we had to leave it there because I fell. Possibly have another hematoma on my arm, whacked my head. But thank you guys that sent our icy shoe things.
Yes. Luckily, we had a set in the truck because neither of us wore the proper footwear.
No, and in fact, I'm still in the wrong footwear.
Let's zoom in on this, shall we?
I'm on socks.
At least I am
Remember, I'm funny.
wearing. You are funny.
Oh, Kira's actually bringing the dogs. No, you were just taking them to potty. Okay. Oh, they're like, wah, wah. Poor puppies.
So we're going to save the truck.
So Kira came down and spread out some de-icer, put the chains on the back of the truck, because I actually fell and whacked my head.
And her phone went halfway down the hill
Phone
on
went
its own.
flying down the hill. So now everything's starting to melt, but I think we're going to try to get the rest of the de-icer on this road so that it can just start doing its job. There's a area that doesn't have any sun, and so it's awful. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. Good times. Oh no. Oh, I see it. Oh, I did not think we were that far.
I didn't either.
That gave me a heart attack. Oh man,
you
that
and
was
me both.
so scary. I thought we were like right at this turn right here, but apparently we're. Or it slid down. I don't know. I did not feel like we walked up this far.
We did chuck it though, but
Yeah.
it was ice underneath. I don't know with the lighting if you guys can see, but
No, it looks exactly the same. We just powerhoused it up this hill, I guess. Not.
we're getting good at this.
We're getting much better at this driveway. Man, look at this. It's ice is like.
We really appreciate you guys
Yes.
sending those.
Yeah, we have 3 pairs now, and that gives us a pair to keep in the truck, pair to keep in the house, and then
Yeah.
the extra pair. So I don't think we would have gotten up this driveway this morning without them, to be honest with you.
I don't think so either. Hi, buddy.
Hi. Have you been lonely? I can't tell if there's de-icer here. Okay, I see de-icer here.
I don't think she understood
The mission.
what we were trying to say.
No.
I see no de-icer. Oh, tiny bit.
I think she barely sprinkled it, being worried that she was going to use it all. It got right here, and I think that's about it. So I'm just going to take the rest of the de-icer, finish spreading it up the hill while you get the truck started or whatever. We'll just have to sit on it for a minute. I hope she didn't take it back up the hill.
I don't know why this makes me so nervous.
Well, because we're sitting on ice. We don't have chains on all 4 tires, and we have 0 momentum to get up this hill. Yeah, this is the spot. Kira took the rest of the de-icer with her, so I can't spread more. So
pray for us, guys. Pray for us.
yeah, here we go.
Woo!
Maybe we should put our seatbelts on.
Yes. In case we go sliding backwards.
Oh, goodness.
bless you.
I'm gonna see.
Oh, bless you.
One more time. There we go. Get it. Okay. Seatbelt on. All right. Let's do it.
It's engaged.
Come on, Sammy-san.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
See him?
Yes.
Relief. Sweet relief. Woo!
Man, we just like spun out right there in that one spot. Oh, yay! All right, we may get some work done today.